he rips. He cannot keep the wheels down. Alright, garage match, tracks right here, Sand Hollow. Looks like I'm on a desk, you know? Austin was like, let's get some Jeeps racing, that would be cool to watch. And what do you know? Wishes came true. Rubicon and Gladiator, let's see what they can do here. Oh, destroyed him. Rubicon got him, but he's got a lot of smaller tires. UTV takeover, Sand Hollow. We got the pro drag races going on. We got the Tacoma and the Ford Ranger like battling it out.
On the dash there on the taco.
Oh, look at that. He's tuning it up. He's gonna rip it in the taco.
Zoom in, does he have the hot tune on it?
Let's see, is it hot?
Oh, yeah,
Oh, it's all red. It's looking hot. Tacoma jumps early, and Ranger is just walking him. He's got that tune in heavy. Two-step. Alright, we are at UTV Takeover. This place was off the hook. There was drags, we did grudge matches at night, and then they did pro class in the morning, and then grudge matches again at night, and then the next day they also did unlimited class, and it was just a heater. So it was really interesting. Pretty much Can-Am just wiped the floor with everyone on the pro class. On the unlimited class, it was Can-Ams and a couple YXZs. And what do you know, the two YXZs with the Packard set up on them, those guys just walked all over everybody else pretty much and destroyed the field, and it ended up just being those two. So if you think you got a YXZ and you think it's slow, look at what it can do. Those things were a beast on the drags. But Polaris, you got to step up your game, because Can-Am and YXZ just destroyed the field in the drags. Can-Am is legit.
Covering his headlights.
Oh no, you can't see his headlights. Alright, here we go. The final race. It's over. That's the win right there, right lane. 626 wins, but it was a Can-Am day at the drags here. Left fun for the first time in a minute. This YXZ's a killer. I think as long as he can keep it together, I think he's got the win. The purple YXZ Packer.
For this final round, he has to win this to stay in this. Left lane has one win under the belt. If he wins, he gets the trophy. DJ trying to take it. Brian Crowler, unlimited drags. Here we go.
Tie, no way.
Too close to.
We were wrong.
DJ in the left lane for the win.
That purple one seems like it had the speed and the power to win, but he messed up.
I think the black one has better suspension.
You think so?
I think he doesn't need the wheelie to go quite as fast.
You just got a smoother car.
Yeah, because you saw like the purple guy, he's really got to drive that thing.
Yeah. There's a lot more chance of a mess up with his car versus the black one where he's not lifting near as bad. Well, how was the drags, guys? Drags for the win? The pro class was fun?
It was a good time.
It's interesting to see, you know, I haven't done much sand racing. I've done like a lot of like street drag racing, but on tracks legally, of course. But like, yeah, haven't seen much sand drag racing. It was just a few little nuances with these boys. That was kind of interesting, and you know, seeing them with their belt issues and
Yeah, we saw a couple
Yeah.
belts blow up, belt swaps. They're
Yeah.
going through belts like it's candy.
Definitely some fast cars, but it's not just all about being fast. You have to outlast too.
Yeah, they
those
probably
cars
did
go.
like, what, 10, 15 runs each?
Yeah.
A dozen. There's a lot for sure.
yeah.
They did a ton of runs. It was pretty cool.
I consider myself a bit of a loner.
All right, guys, so if you want to come out to the track and win some money, come on out.
Let's talk about that giveaway.
First place gets $5,000 cash if you can beat me. 1,000 if you can't. We're with Guiboa Motorsports for first place, hooking you up.
So we're gonna do a full workshop package on your machine.
Second place gets
Back air, 2-person, fresh air system, rugged, R1 handheld, dual band.
The toolkit from the A-Team. The toolkit comes in a nylon bag with a handle. What about third place?
I got a mini set of screwdrivers for you guys, shallow sockets, and then I'm going to be throwing in a 3/8 ratchet as well. I love the Wolfpack.
And
also an A-Team tool bag kit. Fourth place gets another A-Team tool bag kit. The racing, it all starts now. Till May 1st to hit us up and come out to the track. That is $9,000 in prizes. And guess how much it costs for you to come out and race with us? $0.
I just added 2 more guys to my Wolfpack.
my company is the A-Team Real Estate Professionals. So come out, join us, email desertsxs@gmail.com. Join the Wolfpack.